Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to close your Etsy account. It's gonna be very simple, straightforward, so make sure to watch it fully from now till the very end. Now, what can we do to close the Etsy account? Of course, we need to first sign in into it. So let's go to Etsy.com, either from your browser application, doesn't really matter. So simply just go into the sign in button and simply put in your credentials. Click on sign in and there we go. So now what's next to do is to simply go to your profile and click on account settings. So here in the account, you will find all of these informations, but go all the way down and you will find the close your account option or section. So here, what do we have? So close your account. What happens when you close your account? So there will be four different things that will happen. First of all, your account will not be active. It will be inactive until you reopen it. The second of all is your profile will no longer appear anywhere on Etsy, and they will close any non-delivery cases you opened. And finally, your account settings will remain intact and no one will be able to use your username. You can reopen your account anytime simply by just clicking on sign back into Etsy or contact the Etsy support team for help. So if you want anything like this, simply click right over here to close your account, put your password, and as you will see here, the account has been closed. Very easy and very simple. It's kind of similar to logging off, but simply when you log off this time, you are not going to be able to search or find the account that you have. It's gonna be like in a private mode. Something similar to that. And yeah, that was pretty much it for today's video, guys. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, leave a beautiful comment, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.